Would you like a way for SAP Analytics Cloud to remember what filters you applied every time you open up a story? Bookmarks are going to help you out with that. Bookmarks are a way to tell SAC what filters you would like to be remembered for a future instance of the report that you want to view. Bookmarks are found up in the toolbar with this icon here. If I click on this, I can view Open Saved Bookmarks to see my bookmarks, which currently I have none, the original story, and then global bookmarks can also be saved by a story developer. Each of these global bookmarks, indicated with a date that we want to filter on, will change the underlying filters in the story to reflect what was set in the bookmark. Additionally, you can create your own bookmarks, and I'll do that on the second page, where I have some page filters as well. Let's say I only ever need to open up this report to look at the different hardware profit centers. I can apply a filter to my profit centers to pull in all of the hardware related profit centers. And then I can come up to my bookmarks, bookmark current state, and give this a name. There are two settings to note in here. The first is set as default, which will make this bookmark your personal default the next time you open up the story. And there's public. If you have the right permissions, you can establish global bookmarks by selecting the public checkbox. I'm going to click on Set as Default and then save my bookmark. You'll notice down here it says Bookmark Saved, and if I navigate away from my story, I just went back to the home page. When I open the story back up, I'm going to look at my bookmarks icon, and if I hover over Open Saved Bookmarks, I can now see under My Bookmarks, Hardware, and it's set as the default. If I double check this by going to my second page where I had the hardware profit centers selected, they are in fact saved. If I go back to Open Saved Bookmarks and hover over the bookmarks that I've saved, I can see a pencil icon to edit the properties and the name of that bookmark. Or, if I need to, I can delete a bookmark and even share bookmarks with other users.